Hello friends, this is Prithviraj Solanki and today we will be learning a C program for implementation of calculator using switch case. So first of all we go with the library files, include stdio.h which is standard input output, and include conio.h which is console input output. Now we don't need any global variables and global definition of any symbol, so we directly go to the main section, void main. Then let's start it. For the first we are taking integers a and b, which values will be added or divided or something, but we need to store the answers, so we will need a variable, let's say c. So let's make a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. We have given the values. Now c will be is equal to a plus b. Okay, and now we need to know what is the value of c, because it will give the value to compiler, it will not be displayed. So to display this c we will use printf, and let's say answer is percentage d, and we'll put c over here, and backslash n for cutting the line. Okay, this will basically put value of the c here. The printf works left to right, and when it takes a percentage and a character, in this case percentage d is used for integer, so it will compile the percentage d and directly go out of the double quote, and after comma this will see c, and the c's value will be put here. Okay, now let's get a ch to struct the output screen, and the main. Here we will write clr to clear the screen. Okay, we are compiling. F9 success and run. Okay, answer is 30. Our program is working correct. Okay, remember that the turbo C++ editor don't allow user to define the variables after any executionable statement. So after clr scr we cannot define any variable, we have to define the variables above clr scr. Okay, this was the program just for addition. Now if you want to do subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, we can just change the sign over here. And the program was static because the values of a and b are already given to the compiler, user cannot change it while execution. So let's make the program dynamic. Let's say we will take the user's value, and for that we will need scanf, and to instruct the user what to enter we will just print a line, enter value of a, and backslash n to break the line, and scanf percentage d again because it's an integer, and for the scanf we'll put ampersand a, so it will get that the value is to be stored at address of a. Okay, for b the same, printf enter the value of b backslash n. We'll take out the here and make just value, then scanf percentage d and make it ampersand b. Okay, and we have the user defined value now, so let's check if it's working. Yeah, success. Okay, enter value of a, this is 23 and 34, the sum is 57. Okay, it's working correctly. Now here we can do only addition, user don't have any choice, the operation is initially defined, so let's give the user a choice. For that we are going to use switch statement, and for switch statement we are using a variable, let's say ch stands for choice, and we're taking this statements out of the picture. Okay, let's say switch over here, switch and ch, then start the switch block. For case 1, do c is equal to a plus b, then just we'll give every case in the different block, so we will be easy to distinguish the error. Printf addition is percentage d, which is stored at c. Okay, and let's break the line here so output will look nice. Okay, we will need to break the case with the break statement. Case 2 will be subtraction c is equal to a minus b. Okay, print f subtraction is percentage d backslash n, and let's see, break. Okay, this all case typing is boring, and we see all the case will be just same, the some things will be changed, so we are making a copy, shift insert and control insert, then shift insert, and okay, control insert stands for copy and shift insert stands for paste. Okay, we have case 3 here. Case 3 will be a multiplication, and of course the printf line will show multiplication, not addition. Okay, for case 4 I will use again shift insert, and case 4 is division. Oops. Case 4 is division, and it will show division. Okay, I forgot the spelling of division. I'm not very good with spells, Okay, we have provided the 4 cases, and now what if the user enters a value which is not 1, 2, 3 or 4? Then we will have to have a default case, so let's make it a default case. And yeah, the spelling of default is right because it's turned into white. The keywords in C turns into white. Yeah, this is a good feature for spelling mistakers like me. We'll print f invalid choice and backslash n. Okay, and break it. Okay, now we have done the default case, so we still need to over a curly brace, cause see, switch brace over here. See, the advantage of typing a program like this using tabs, we can cover all the curly braces to start and end. We do not forget to end any curly braces, so we don't get any error of statement missing, and the program becomes easier to understand and distinguish the errors and solve them. Okay, we have all the switch case. Let's check if it's error free. Yeah, it's have an error. See, a statement missing here. I forgot the comma. Okay, now again, success. Okay, value of A 23, value of B 34. Invalid choice. Why it's saying that invalid choice? Let me see. Okay, I haven't given user a menu. I totally forgot about giving user a menu. Let's give it a menu, we got invalid choice because the ch didn't get any value from user, and switch tested the value of ch, which will be having a garbage value which did not included case 1 2 3 or 4. So it get into the default and gave an invalid choice message. Let's see, enter 1 for addition, enter 2 for sub slash enter 3 for multi and enter 4 for division. Okay, we have given the menu to the user, and next scanf we are going to scan the value of choice at percentage d because it's still an integer at ch. Now we will run it. See the error I got at the first, it is called a runtime error because I didn't had any syntax error or missing error in my program, so there was no any logical errors, but that was a runtime error because the value of ch was not defined and it was a garbage. So we have a menu here, we'll do subtraction. Okay, subtraction is -11, which is correct, and then enter. We will back to the program screen. Okay, this is kind of boring thing because user have to run the program every time whenever he or she want to execute any one of these four. So let's provide an infinite while loop and one more exit choice to user, so he or she can execute program however times they want. So we'll start the while loop over here. While one, why we write while one for a infinite while loop? Because one will be one always, it will never get changed, so it will run over and over and over again. I'm making the program look good by putting these tabs. I should have done it before, so I didn't have to waste the time. Okay, switch over here and while will over here. So basically to get out of this while loop we have to have a exit statement, and we will provide that exit statement in as the fifth case. Let's say enter and okay, let's say enter 5 for exit. Okay, now we have to printed the choice, we have to make the case. Okay, let's say case 5 is here, and we'll provide an exit directly and an argument maybe. Okay, and an argument is for, it will give an error of exit should need a prototype or something, so we will provide an argument 1 only. We don't need the break case over here because exit will return to the program and will not execute any more lines after this, so we don't need a break at all. Now we want to improve the program, and what if user give invalid choice? It will be again shown a menu. If we don't do this infinite while loop and still we want that after default user have a menu again, we can put a go to statement which we will include in other tutorials. Okay, let's run this program. We have error, exits to have prototype. See, we have given a prototype but still we have the error. That is why that is because of I didn't save the file. It's still no name 00.cpp. It's a cpp format and also no name. So let's save the file first. We'll say calc.c. Okay, it is saved. Now we will compile it. See a warning, Oh, get ch is unreachable because this is a infinite while loop, and after the exit the program will start execution, so we don't need get ch anymore to struck the skin. Okay, let's compile. It's a success, and we enter the values. Okay, we want to do the addition. Yeah, addition is here, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, now we want to exit. We exit. Okay, we have exited the program now. Okay, so this was it. The basic calculator is done here with a switch case and a while loop to improve the performance of the program. I think you have understood the concept of switch case and infinite while loop, and also the arithmetic and making a calci. And I hope you will keep coming on the blog. Just don't forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel and to follow the blog, and leave your comments as your feedback, and share the link. And also, if you don't find a topic you want on the blog or YouTube channel, just give us a comment below, and we will respond to it and try and upload it. Thank you so much for watching, and keep visiting the blog.